The SPI looks so funny underneath the car cover.
I know, it looks like a SUV. Look at this car though. It's like the same as mine. So Seawell's back from U of A for the summer. He has not yet seen my version of his car. Yeah, I got bird pooped on. And I washed it last night.
Like a really feminine version of my car. That tan's a lot brighter than I thought. It's getting so fun just driving now in the canyon.
This car handles so badly though.
I don't care.
It's just more aerodynamic and has 12 more horsepower than you.
It looks so tall.
We haven't showed them your fancy new LED headlights.
Oh yeah.
But I got my own bad boys here too. They have like, they're LED conversion bulbs and they have like built-in fans. They should be pretty plug and play though. So we'll see how this goes. Well, I'm not doing it right now, but
They look fancy.
I don't know if they're more power efficient because of the fans and stuff, but like these look crazy.
What's Miatas Special Edition?
It has a LSD. Yeah. It has a 6-speed transmission. It has a Bose stereo system. And it has
So it's like a luxury package?
the wooden interior trim.
Okay.
And the tan is lighter than regular Miatas.
Yeah, that would be darker.
Well, the regular Miatas are darker. I have a fire
Your
extinguisher.
trunk's bigger than mine because my spare literally sits in my trunk, not underneath it.
And yeah, that's super weird. My batteries are too, yeah.
Yeah, my battery also sits in my trunk.
Yo, peep those door bushings. Okay, honestly, so I did upgrade my door bushings on the Miata. You can really, and I was very skeptical at first when buying them, but they do make a very noticeable difference when you're going over bumps. The windshield vibrations and the cowl shaking over like train tracks or very big bumps is so much, like it's just greatly reduced. And you have a racing seat in your car too.
Yeah. Yeah, my head like is just in the top of your roof.
Ay, I got the right shoes. I keep on matching my girl, my TV on blue. I keep blowing my bands and I'm only going up.
That's a medium.
Oh man. Oh my, my ears are. How snug should it be?
Oh well, you don't want it to rattle around, but if it hurts,
It's definitely not rattling around.
well, is it compressing your face?
I'd say so.
Then get a large. Instant race car driver. Damn, your car looks so much better now. It's been washed.
I ain't leaving a trace. Bitch, I got the plugs. Ay, I'm going up like I got capes. Ay, I have the band.
Yeah, your headlights look cool. Well, I want to see what they look like at night though. I want to see how much brighter they are. You can be autocrossing the top down. Yeah. Take it down. Alright, putting you on the spot right now. What are your initial thoughts on my NB versus your NA? Like differences you noticed, things you liked or didn't like?
It's a lot taller.
Oh.
Part of that's to do with the seat.
Well, it's a combination of my stock seat and stock suspension versus
feels a
your
lot more-
coilovers and
It feels a lot
Sparko.
more refined. Part of that is because it's stock, and part of that because it's newer. But yeah,
do you like the 6-speed?
yeah, I had to get used to it. But
I don't know, from my flywheel feels lighter than yours. I'm not sure if that's the case, but my engine feels a lot more rev happy. Like yours, it takes a while to get to 7K, and mine,
Yeah.
we'll just get up there
I
real
want to
quick.
do a clutch and flywheel at some point.
Have you seen the Happy Meal kit on Flying Miata?
I probably looked at it.
It's pretty expensive, but I'm sure they come with good parts. I don't remember exactly what's in the kit though. Dang. Alright, we're gonna switch to the big camera here because I'm gonna shoot some gimbal shots here. Got this nice electrical plant behind us. So yeah. Miata's loud. Are you saying mine handles better? My stock Miata? Yeah, probably. So now we're at the top of Stunt Road. On the way up here, we drove. Let's flip the camera around. So on the way up Los Flores, dude, it looked like my Miata was pulling on yours just a little bit.
Well, yeah.
I drive this car really hard. Like I rev it up to 7,000 pretty much every shift, and I cruise around at like 4,000 in the canyons.
My car's too loud to do that.
Yeah, his car gets so pingy and gross.
It sounds good
anytime.
like under 3.5K, and then above it, it just kind of goes.
Yeah, but in a Miata, you have to have it above 4,000 the whole time. I can't wait to film your car autocrossing. It's gonna be garbage. Yeah, once you have the so I just pulled my bulb out. You just have to unplug this harness, remove the rubber seal, and then there's a metal silver spring around it. You just pop it off and the old bulb will come out. And then we have the LED bad boys to drop right in. Damn, bro, slowly but surely the Miata is turning into a freaking beast. We got LED headlights, freaking side mounted license plate holder, tow hooks on the front and the rear. Like, who's doing it? This is unreal, this build so far. I'm curious though. You've piqued my interest.
I'm just gonna film this struggle.
What's going on? It's like, what the?
Oh yeah, they're buckled. No, Christian, they're literally not.
It looks pretty solid to me.
No, it's not.
What do you mean? It's bolted into the island. I can see it.
Okay, the other one's not then.
I haven't gotten to this side yet.
Yeah, that one's not.
Okay, so I just bolted or put it in right there. Easy peasy. Depending on how far in you're pushing the gas pedal, it completely changes the tone.
Yeah.
I don't understand. And like, I didn't know you had like no gas either.
Yeah, you're right.
Your gas pedal itself feels so much stiffer than mine. But like so comparison between that car and this car. His gas pedal is a lot stiffer. His flywheel feels a lot heavier. His exhaust sounds really shitty.
I like how it sounds.
It handles a lot better than my car, kind of. It's kind of weird.
The tires are really shitty,
It
so.
has balding tires, but good suspension. So there's like no body roll, so it kind of gives you a sense of confidence when you're driving, but then even though you're not swaying with the car, it kind of just loses grip out of nowhere.
See, I like how that sounds.
Yeah, no, right there, it's totally fine. But then, like, if you're like at half throttle at 4,000, it just gets super quiet. But then if you floor it, it just starts rattling and like pinging it.
That's a 4-cylinder for you.
What do you mean? My SR doesn't do that. My EJ doesn't do that.
Well,
That 4-cylinder.
yeah, that has a turbo and all that helps.
I kind of, according to a lot of people, I think the general consensus is that I have some of the best sounding 4-cylinders available, disregarding the Miata.
Yeah.
But I personally, I like how KA sound. The EJ is my favorite sounding engine of everything, and then the SR, they're not bad.
Dude, this lady drove by in that NC Miata. She was legit like
I know,
60 years old.
I saw that, she was killing it.
No, she gave me a thumbs up and she looked at your car and then she just floors it away. She's like 60 something years old. I was like, what the?
Video?
I don't know.
Feel that? Dude, this car has 12 more horsepower than your NA.
Felt every one of them.
Alright, so we're almost back to my house right now. I don't think we're going to be doing anything else exciting, so I'm just going to end the video here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Seawill's back for the summer. We got autocross coming up soon, and some upcoming maintenance and mods to do to some of the cars. Peace out.